Saturday. Let's see if we can repeat it today. Good morning, Cheryl.
Yeah, you know, today's going to be almost just as nice, not as bright, but warmer, milder temperatures, and we've been talking about it since Thursday. We need that period of quiet and calm weather, and that's what we got yesterday, and we'll see more of the same today. Fortunately, that's not great news for those dealing with the current flooding situation. So we'll talk about what we are expecting and the road ahead this upcoming week.
All right, keeping track of those homeowners that have had such a difficult week. Thank you so much, Cheryl.
Turning out to be a fairly nice weekend. Plenty of sunshine yesterday. Today, sunshine today, just a few more clouds in the picture, but mostly dry conditions. Now, there's a very slight chance for a few raindrops today, but nothing to impact anything. However, more rain is on the way. Dry all across the region. We are watching the threat of showers off towards the west, so that's why I will include a few raindrops west and north, really, of the city early this morning into the afternoon, and you'll see that in a bigger picture in just a little bit. But temperatures this morning fairly chilly yet again. We are into about the lower 30s, but as we head into the afternoon, we'll see the temperatures climb into the mid 50s, and this is our projected highs for the day today. Notice as we look a little bit farther to the north, Waukegan 47, that's with winds out of the east-southeast, so going to keep an eye on that, but a little bit chillier closer to the lakefront. We do have high pressure mainly in control, but you see the clouds building in from the west and also some precipitation. Wintry in form, that will stay to the north of us, but close to that state line is where we could find just a few sprinkles. I am expecting a mostly dry day. It will be a little bit breezy, and this is great news still for those continuing to deal with the flooding conditions. As you can see, we still have flood warnings in place for a lot of the region. Here's the good news. The levels continue to drop. We are now below major flood stage here. One location on the Des Plaines River at Riverside at 8.96 feet. The levels continue to drop and recede. The big thing is the threat of rain as we go into this week, late Monday into Tuesday. So my advice for those of you that are continuing to clean up, make sure you don't put anything in the lower elevation where prone to flooding, because we could potentially see those water levels rise yet again on Tuesday. And this is what I'm talking about today. Currently dry. Tomorrow the same. A big push of warm air from the south tomorrow with temperatures climbing into about the mid 60s. But then a cold front moves in. This will allow for the threat of rain late Monday into Tuesday. As of right now, model projections indicating anywhere from a half an inch to an inch of rain. So we have to keep our eye on that. We will dry out by Wednesday. For today, 54, partly cloudy skies. Cooler closer to the lakefront. Tonight, partly cloudy, 40. Tomorrow, warmer and breezy, and then rain expected on.
And hope we might get a little more sunshine again.
Yes, we are waking up to some sunshine. A few more clouds in the picture today, but we will take it because another day of mostly dry weather, and that's so important here all across Chicagoland with the recent flooding and everyone continuing to assess the damage and trying to clean up. So we'll talk about when and how much and what we can expect in the next couple of days in just a little bit.
Thank you very much, Cheryl.
Good morning, everyone. Hopefully you're enjoying this weekend. We are starting this Sunday off dry. Live Doppler 5 not detecting any precipitation, so great news there, and it will be a mostly dry day. As we take a look at some of our neighborhood sites, I want to show you Des Plaines currently, a temperature there of 31 degrees, dew point at 23, so relatively chilly yet calm conditions, and that's what we need. We still have flood warnings posted for a good part of our area, especially along that Des Plaines River. So as we take you in, the flood stages, they continue to drop, but ever so slowly. We did peak, we did crest, we are now at 10.24 feet. The major flood stage is 9 feet, so it's just gradually continuing to recede. Here's the bad news. More rain is expected, but not until Tuesday. So for those of you that are continuing to clean up, if your basement dries out and you're getting your belongings back together, keep them at a higher elevation, a higher level of your home until after this next storm passes, just with the threat or the potential of more flooding. So here's a look at satellite and radar. We are not expecting any rain today. Great news. Now there's just a slight chance of a few passing sprinkles, but no downpours by any means. The bulk of this will stay to the north and west of our region. Temperatures currently into about the mid 30s, but into the afternoon with a nice push of air in from the south, a little bit more mild, mid 50s expected, except a little bit cooler closer to the lakefront with a breeze out of the southeast. So watching that, but an overall nice today. We are expecting that rain yet again when we have another dry day for the day tomorrow. We started off with sunshine. Clouds will be on the increase tomorrow. push of that air from the south will climb to the mid-60s. So a warming trend here, feeling a little bit like spring tomorrow, but then a cold front moves in. This will bring rain overnight Monday into Tuesday. Notice those darker colors. So I am concerned with the threat of a few periods of heavy to persistent rain, half an inch to an inch looking possible as of right now. We will keep you posted on that. For today, 54, partly cloudy skies, a chance of a shower, otherwise mostly dry. Tonight, partly cloudy, 40. And here's a look at the next couple of days. Monday, 66. Showers move in overnight. Tuesday, rain. I would do anything possible, but just that image there looked painful how cold it was with that snow and wind. So thankfully we don't have that.
You stay inside and safe. That is the news for now. We're back at 8 about the